Hello, Michael Kinsley here again, and I'm going to go through the shopping cart with you. And I'm going to go into the last shipping method, and this is my little favorite. Shipping, free shipping is quite good. You can add the cost in, flat rate per item, but the weight based shipping is first class. So we're going to edit, and basically I'm going to bring this up in Notepad for you so you can actually see this. Now, if you set this up correctly, all your products will follow. And this is for your medium range businesses who are selling huge products and whatever. So the 5 there is the weight, and that's the cost. So you got 5 the cost, 7 kilos, 5 kilos, 7 kilos, 12. As you can see here, I put down 10 kilos. I'll copy that there. And I've done that for a reason. And I will comma that and paste it in there. And you need to set these all up for your different zones. If you're just selling from the UK, needn't bother having the German zones, just the UK one. So basically 10 kilos is 20, 25 kilos, so it falls into certain ranges, and you can set this all out so you know the weights of your products. If you're selling 100 bricks, you know the weight of it. If a ton, something weighs a ton, well, that'd be 1,000 kilos. Well, there's 100 euro. Just say you want to ship it, or 200 euro, you want to ship it that way. That's the way it is. If you're shipping internationally, then you're better off putting on a bit more here, maybe adding a bit more into the, for the item. You probably have to go into some of the shipping international shippers and get all their rates and all this kind of stuff. So we'll just close that down and we'll save that. Oh, sorry, I need to go back into that for you and just show you the rest of that. So basically, you just enable it. It's either disabled or enabled. Taxable goods, yes or no. Enable status is enabled, and you just save it. So now we'll go in, and all your products now are based on weight. Your diggers, your iPhones, whatever it is, you can put in 500 grams for these, and basically it all works out. If you have a warehouse, then you have on the boxes how much each box weighs, 25 kilos, 20 kilos, 15 kilos, but then you can put in a price per kilo, per shipping. So I'm going to buy this laptop here, okay? I'm going to buy one, and then I'm going to buy 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to go through the motions of buying one, and then I'm going to go into basket, and I'm going to go through to checkout. Notice the way it's got the VAT there, and it's got the UK shipping 5 kilos. Yep, we'll have that. And we'll go cash on delivery, terms and conditions, and continue. So you can see the breakdown here. It's 1,000. We've got the shipping, we've got the VAT, and we've got everything in there. So then we can confirm the order, go through with it, job done. So we'll go back to basket now, and we'll clear that out. Now I want to buy 2 of them, and because I've set up here, this is most important that you remember this now. I've set it up that it's 10 kilos, 7 kilos. So it's anything that weighs, if a combined order is over 7 kilos, it won't let you sell it. The shopping cart won't let you sell here. Okay, so that's basically about it. So I've actually set that up with 10 kilos. So I'm going to buy now 2 of these. If I went to buy 3 of them, it wouldn't let me do it. So because you've set up the kilos in weights, you've set up the weight. Now I've got 2 of them there. So we're going to basket, and we're going to checkout. again it's shown. See the way it's up to 20 euro because it's 10 kilos. So I can actually go ahead and buy that, but I'm going to clear the basket and I'm going to show you, if you don't set it up correctly, that if I go to buy 5 of them, so I go into buy, say, quantity 3, okay, yep, it will let me go through the shopping cart, basket, and then go to checkout, but you don't see the shipping. That's because the shipping has not been set here. If I put that in there now, comma 15, say for instance 17, okay, so I'm going to set that up now. So right there, 15, 17.00, do fine. Save it. Now if I refresh that, it won't let me because I need to go back in and clear the order out. So let's go into basket and let's delete it. And if I've done this correctly, I can actually buy 3 of them. Remember, I've got 100 in stock or whatever, 10 in stock, 3. Check out. And there you go, 17 euro. So that's it. So you can set your discounts on in there, and you can have a handling fee as well, which I haven't got to yet. Basically I haven't got them. I'm only just going through the shopping cart and basically giving you the rundown on before I even upload any products. So just to recap on that, the flat rate free shipping per item is quite good. I haven't used the Royal Mail and I haven't used the United States Parcel Service, but the weight based shipping, if you set up the actual your products carefully there, I mean the shipping rates will be near enough the same, I mean depending on the box sizes, but you shouldn't be losing out on the shipping rates. I mean you should be just given the correct shipping rates for them. And that's basically about it. And then once you have that done, then you need to check out, I forgot to do one thing, order totals. If these are not enabled, you won't be able to do any of the above. So hopefully when you get your shopping cart that I'll have these enabled. I'll be going through it and make sure that everything's just done there. But if it's not, you just go in and enable them. Again, it's just a case of edit, enable. But the handling fee is a good job. The low order fee, shipping enabled, subtotal enabled, taxes and total, coupon enabled. So the coupon we haven't gone through yet, but we're starting to get into more elaborate ways of the shopping cart itself. And that's basically about it. I mean, you're starting to now, the next stage will be the categories to make sure you have all them right, and then we can start on the products. And then once you have your products and all your weight set, I mean you're basically up and running, and that's you. It's just a case of Google finding you, somebody finding you through Google or Yahoo or Bing or an independent search engine, liking your products, liking your website, buying, and that's the name of the game. Okay then, thank you.